I've just installed the horns from a 1984 Cadillac Eldorado into my little wombat. And I'm going to show you what the original horn sounded like, then I'll show you what the new Cadillac horn sounds like. First we have the original horn. Now I'll show you the Eldorado horn. When I first installed them, I mounted 3 upright above the bumper railing behind the grille. About 2 days later, the realisation hit me. They're facing upward, and any rain will fill them up with water because they're directly behind the grille. So it was back to installation square one. I pulled the front off again and reinstalled them, this time facing downward, using the existing screw mounts. I originally located 3 horns above the bumper railing and the 4th one below the railing, but this time round I just installed 2 above the railing and the other 2 below the railing. To do this, I had to make up a simple bracket to mount the 4th one. Facing the car, I now have the C on the left, followed by the F on the right, and the lower part I have the A on the left and then the D on the right. I'm quite happy with the new setup now that I've got all the horns facing downwards. The Cadillac has 4 different horns, each one tuned differently. There's A, C, D and F, and put it together makes up the Cadillac horn. I had a look on YouTube and managed to record the actual notes of a real Cadillac Eldorado and then compared it to my own. The same sound that comes out of a large land barge coming out of my little Toyota Yaris, the Wombat.